Today I rise not just to honor a man, but to recognize a legacy, one built on grit, resilience, and unwavering connection with the Filipino people. Joseph Ejercito Estrada, Mayor, Senator, Vice President, President, a public servant whose name is forever written in the story of our nation. His journey was never ordinary. He was a man of the masses. Long before he held public office, he captured the hearts of Filipinos through film, not just as a celebrity, but as an icon of justice, fighting for the underdog, standing up for the poor, driven by a genuine love for the people. As mayor of San Juan, he transformed the city, modernized real estate tax systems, and elevated education, health, and infrastructure. He set the bar for what local governance should be. At alam ko yan because I, who serve as a mayor, alam ko ang bigat ng responsibilidad kung paano araw-araw kang haharap sa tao, hahanap ng solusyon sa problema, magtatayo ng mga proyekto, at higit sa lahat, magpapasya hindi para sa sarili mo, kundi para sa kapakanan ng lahat. My dear colleagues, this resolution is more than just a tribute. It is a reminder of what true public service looks like. It is about the ability to connect policies with realities on the ground. It is about rising, falling, and rising again. Because leadership is not just about failing, it's about never giving up. And if there's one thing former President Estrada has taught us, it is the best leaders are not those who sit above the people, but those who remain among them. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Mr. President, esteemed colleagues.